Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites so scanning works. First, make sure your iPhone model and iOS meet minimums. This enables the built-in scanner. Once done, open Settings, go to Camera and enable Scan QR codes. This turns the feature on system-wide. You're ready to begin. Hold the iPhone camera steady, frame the QR so it fills about 1/4 to 1/3 of the screen, and keep the device steady until the scanner recognizes the code. Now you'll scan and act on the QR. Open Camera, position the code in view, and wait for a notification banner to appear. Don't press the shutter button. Tap the banner to open the encoded URL or action. Make sure you read the preview so you know where it goes. If the QR launches an app or asks permissions, decide whether to allow it. If needed, long press the banner for more options or to copy the link for later. Finish the process by handling errors and securing the result. If links don't load, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular data is on and retry scanning. Connectivity often causes failures. If the camera doesn't detect codes, download a reputable third-party QR reader from the App Store and try that. As a final troubleshooting step, restart the camera app or reboot the iPhone. This clears temporary glitches. If problems persist, confirm Scan QR codes is still enabled in Settings right arrow camera.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.